Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we put products head to head and help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the sky with not one, but TENSSENX GPS drones. On the left, we have the agile Skywiz, and on the right, the daring Cloud Cruiser. Buckle up because this is going to be an epic drone showdown. First up, let's talk cameras. Both of our contenders boast a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. Skywiz promises stable and smooth videos even during high-speed chases. Reviewers have praised its functionality and ease of use, particularly highlighting its high-quality camera. Cloud Cruiser, on the other hand, claims to deliver smooth and stable videos even in strong wind conditions. According to reviews, it offers impressive visual quality and is perfect for beginners interested in aerial videography. Both drones ensure you capture those epic moments in ultra-high definition. Now, let's talk about getting these bad boys back home. Both drones feature GPS auto-return, meaning if they lose signal, get out of range, or have low battery, they'll come back to you. Skywiz says it'll return home, freeing your mind from flying it away. Reviewers noted some initial issues but found it generally reliable. Cloud Cruiser takes it up a notch, saying you never have to worry about flying it away. Users found this feature particularly valuable for ensuring their drone's safe return. Alright, on to flight time. Skywiz offers up to 46 minutes with its two modular batteries. Reviewers appreciated the dual battery setup, though some wished for longer flight times. Cloud Cruiser comes in hot with up to 52 minutes, giving you an extra 6 minutes of airtime. This extended flight time has been a hit among users, making it ideal for longer flights and more extensive aerial adventures. Next, let's talk design. Both drones are foldable and come with a carrying case, making them perfect travel companions. Skywiz is less than 250 grams to avoid FAA registration, reducing your travel burden. Reviewers love its compact and travel-friendly design. Cloud Cruiser, not to be outdone, also weighs under 250 grams and saves you from FAA registration. Its compact and foldable nature has been praised for travel convenience. Both are lightweights in a good way. Last but not least, intelligent functions. Skywiz offers Follow Me, Waypoint Fly, Point of Interest, and voice and gesture control. Reviewers have found these features particularly enjoyable and versatile. Cloud Cruiser, being equally impressive, can trace and follow you, fly along a set path, or circle around a point. It'll also take a photo or video when you pose. Users found these intelligent functions to be user-friendly and perfect for getting creative with aerial shots. Overall, reviewers have praised both the Skywiz and Cloud Cruiser for their impressive features and affordability. Skywiz is lauded for its smooth video quality, reliable GPS return, and compact design. Cloud Cruiser stands out with its high-quality camera, extended flight time, and user-friendly intelligent functions. Both drones are perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. So there you have it, folks, the ultimate drone showdown between Skywiz and Cloud Cruiser. Both are packed with features and ready to take your aerial adventures to the next level. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our latest comparisons. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart, and keep those drones in the zone. Product links are in the description.